Welcome, everyone, to Makeup Without Limitations, where today you will be uplifted and learn something. Today is, let me take out some creases in my base. Today is a collab with the group Beauty Over 40, and our theme is to create a makeup look that reflects your favorite Christmas wrapping paper. I love Christmas. Christmas was one of these big holidays back in Dominica, back in the 60s and 70s. That was everything, everything to me. Carolers passed by your house singing, and everybody who was of age, when the carolers stop by, you give them each a drink, sometimes some tea or coffee, and it was the happiest time of the year. We did not get gifts or buy gifts the way it is now, but the food that was prepared and everybody was celebrating, painting the house, putting new carpets, which is the lanolin. And I mean, the trucks and the buses were busy going Rosa from Granby, bringing up all these beautiful things you only get to buy once a year. So Christmas have been my favorite time. I just put the white into the brow bone because my favorite wrapping paper has white in there. Now I'm going to go into a green. I had an uncle in Dominica, and he had a hotel, like it was like a house, but he rented the rooms for visitors who come into our village. When Christmas came, he would start playing music from December 1st, Christmas music. And back then, we had the inflatable Christmas Santa Claus. That was the first place I saw an inflatable Christmas Santa Claus. My uncle would decorate that he had two nice big houses. One was a store, and the upstairs is where he lived, and the other one is where he rented. There was single rooms to be rented, and downstairs he made coffins. He was a coffin maker. And I mean, Christmas music was the first time I heard of Christmas music was from my uncle. And he played music all of December. When I tell you it was a really nice time, that's why Christmas is my favorite time of year. Other than my birthday, it is Christmas. Christmas is on top there. I'm going to use a red glitter. I already have glitter glue down. Today's I am saying, with every breath I take, I am getting healthier and healthier. Every breath I take, I am getting healthier and healthier. Always remember you are first. Love yourself plenty. Do not give up on yourself. During this holiday season, I pray that if something is not right, if you are feeling unbalanced, please seek help. Help is always available. You just have to seek and find it. It is not always easy for us to ask for help, but we have to seek help. I love you dearly. Please remember to hype this video and share it with someone else. All the ladies that are in today's Beauty Over 40 collab, their information is in my description box. Please go visit them and see what eye look they created for their favorite Christmas wrapping paper. My favorite wrapping paper is any red, white, and green Christmas paper. Once it have a Christmas tree and it have red and white in it, it is my favorite because those are the colors I remember for Christmas. So this is it. And I take a piece and created a hat. Last minute decision. My earrings I made peppermint candy, red and white. This is the eye look. I use red glitter as my eyeliner on the top lashes, and green and white the rest of the look. Red, green, and white. That's my Christmas colors. And they're my favorite wrapping paper type. My lip color today is the LA Girl Ultimate Lip Liner Red Pencil. That is it. That's all I have there. This is what it looks like. And when you scroll it up, this is all I have left. This is it. It is done. It is actually done. But that's my lip color. That with some lip gloss. Always remember you first. Love yourself very, very much. This holiday season, if you're feeling down and out, seek help. Reach out to someone, call someone, text someone, but do not hurt yourself. I will see you shortly in the next video. Until then, I would like you to hype this video, share it with someone else. And as always, until I see you and you see me, every breath you take, you are getting healthier and healthier. Every breath you take, you are getting healthier and healthier. Bye.